And unfortunately, in this market we're in, everybody's busy. The appraisers are busy, the banks are busy. And so we're seeing commercial appraisals can take, 3 weeks sometimes. And then we got to review it after we get it. And so I had a case where that's what happened. The person went and signed a contract to buy a building, and they basically did a 30 days to close. And
Oh,
so unfortunately, it was, once I read the contract, that's when we started having the tough discussions of, number one, once I get your stuff, we're going to take maybe a couple weeks to get you approved. And then the appraiser could take 3 weeks. And then we got to inspect the appraisal after it's done. And so that was just a tough conversation we had at the meeting after the contract was signed by the buyer and seller. And so definitely before you sign it and make it final, let's talk about it. And so that's why it's so important for us to have these meetings. I really try 3 to 4 times a year to meet with my customers in person to talk about past, present, future. Definitely, what are your future goals and needs so I can help you plan for those needs to meet those goals.